Hagen and I'm 4 years old, and I come from Corpus Christi, Texas. Today we're going to be learning about the letter H. H says, I was just riding my horse. Horse starts with, I'm wearing my hat. Hat starts with, here I have a house. This is a house. It starts for the letter H. H says, this is a hammer. It starts with a letter H. Hammer. These are headphones. Headphones start with H. Headphones. This is a hippo. Hippo starts with H. Hippo. This is a helicopter. Helicopter starts with H. Helicopter. This is a harp. Harp starts with H. Harp. This is a heart. And it starts with a letter H. Heart. The last word for the letter H is hamburger. Hamburger starts with H. Hamburger. Thanks for learning about the letter H. Bye.